viewers and subscribers. I am doing an update on the Space Saver cucumber, and today is October the 22nd, and all I can say is the cucumber is really growing, and now I see the tendrils are coming out and some little buds are coming on it, and I think that it's coming along really well. I'm going to show you the roots. The roots are looking great, nice and white, no algae, just doing amazing. And what I plan on doing is I'm waiting to get a delivery of a mussel rack. My little plant stand basically cannot take all the weight from all my different grows. I have some other plants, and my husband brought me to my attention about the weight of the water, and right now I have them on a plant stand.